A smaller, more manageable and more affordable tourer, the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660. Noble Wealth Group is offering a 6-month complimentary protection policy, so you can rest assured that unexpected costs resulting from an accident will be covered with ease. If you haven't gotten yourself a policy that takes care of that, click the link in the description to redeem. Thank you Noble Wealth Group for supporting the channel. A 660cc inline-3 liquid-cooled fuel-injected power plant managed by a ride-by-wire throttle, producing 80 horsepower at 10,250 RPM and 64 Newton meters of torque at 6,250 RPM through a 6-speed gearbox and a chain final drive, serves as the beating heart of the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660. Keeping the power plant fed is a 17.2-litre fuel tank. A claimed fuel consumption of 22.2 kilometers per litre sees a potential range of 380 kilometers. We found the real-world range to be 21.7 kilometers per litre with mixed riding. The 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 rolls along a 17-inch front rim wrapped by a Michelin Road 5 tyre and a 17-inch rear rim also wrapped by a Michelin Road 5 tyre. Braking is taken care of by dual 310mm rotors and dual 2-piston Nissin sliding calipers in the front. In the rear is a single 265mm rotor and a single 1-piston Nissin sliding caliper. The rider is assisted by a 2-channel ABS and switchable traction control. Floating the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 is a non-adjustable Showa upside-down fork in the front and a preload adjustable Showa monoshock in the rear. A full-color TFT display comes as standard on the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 and supports 2 riding modes, road and rain. A full LED lighting package comes as standard on the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660. An LED headlight, an LED tail light, and LED signal light. Regular servicing is every 16,000 kilometers with 2.8 liters of engine oil with an oil filter replacement. Major servicing and a valve clearance inspection is every 32,000 kilometers. Amos is 1.84 meters tall, with a seat height of 835mm and a curb weight of 206 kilos. Let us show you how he looks on the bike. He's got a relaxed posture. With mud coming in as a pillion, he felt that it was spacious and the pillion seat comfortable. At a combined weight of 170 kilos, the preload adjustable mono rear shock head up. Very okay! With a height of 1.68 meters, Adam, our guest from 333's Motorcyclist Telegram group, wants to show you how he looks on the bike. Thank you, Adam. The turning radius of the bike is a little wide for its class. In our opinion, the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 is a premium, no-frills machine. The ride was tight, balanced, and handling very easy. Something that Triumph has consistently been achieving. Good. The ride was also pretty fun. It had some decent pulls. And the sound of the triple? Ooh, let's have a listen. The brakes on the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 had excellent feel and were bitey. This is doing good too. Speaking of excellent feel, we at 333 have put in a lot of effort to be sure our merch has excellent feel too. Get yours today at our merchant store. The suspension felt quite bouncy. We feel that the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 should have been fitted with a fully adjustable suspension system. But aftermarket options are available if this bothers you. Another missed opportunity, we feel, is that the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 doesn't come with a quick shifter and cruise control. No cruise control. Okay, fine. But no quick shifter on a triple? Triumph, we need a quick shifter, please. At a price of 21,700 Singapore dollars before COE and insurance, can right? Be aware that the machine price does not include the panniers and they go for a retail price of 1,000 Singapore dollars. But ask Eugene nicely and we are sure he will sort it out. And because we know that you will want to know, the panniers fit a full face helmet. You may have to remove your comms if you have one. We noticed some lag in the ride-by-wire throttle in the low revs. This may have been done to tame the lower revs, but we would have preferred if the throttle management wasn't as intrusive. The lag did go away once we were in the higher revs. Still okay? We like the one-handed adjustable windshield. Left or right-handed riders, no problem. Taller aftermarket windshields are available to suit. We noticed some slight indirect heat at stop-go city riding, but the heat dissipated once we got on the move. Still okay. Overall, the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 makes for a good choice for the newer rider. But be careful in the higher revs. Still a 660cc machine. Experienced riders can expect a predictable machine that will get you to your destination without fuss and without the worry of reliability. Also makes for a very achievable daily ride. We got the 2022 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 from Triumph Singapore, but as with all our reviews, they do not have control over our content, allowing us to bring you true and unbiased opinions. With that, I'm Winston and see you on the road.